another video. So today I wanted to do or start it's a lockdown workout, I believe is what it's called. It is a calendar that's posted on the Barbell Brigade website. Now, if you don't know who or what Barbell Brigade is, slow down. Barbell Brigade is a channel where they create a lot of fitness content. I've only seen a few of their videos, so majority of it is like CrossFit stuff. But I wanted to try this lockdown workout. It's 30 days and it's like a calendar's worth of workouts, and it's more of like a beginner and it's a progression calendar. So like by the end of the 30 days, you should be able to do like the more advanced versions of the moves that are from the beginning. So today I'm on day 1. I'm gonna do weekly videos, and today we're gonna do day number 1 with my little friend. Yes, I stole him from my kids. It's Professor Dumbledore. Anywho, so let's go ahead and get into this video. I have already warmed up with 15 minutes of my little foot pedaler cycling thing because I do have a knee injury. So that's what I wanted to warm up with. I am going to do a little bit of warm up with my arms because they do some upper body moves in this calendar workout. Also, disclaimer, I am not sponsored by Barbell Brigade or associated with Barbell Brigade. This is solely for entertainment purposes only. The opinions and results are my own. So let's go ahead and get into this day 1 workout. Okay guys, so here's the calendar. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's on my phone. I just saved it to my phone. So today is Monday, week 1, day 1. So I'm just going to read it out because it's really small print. It calls for bodyweight chair squat, tempo 310, 4 sets of 15. And then it calls for push-ups, modified on your knees, 3 sets, 10 to 20 reps. And then it calls for burpees, 3 sets, 10 reps. So I am going to be doing like anything that involves high intensity, I'm going to be modifying because of my torn ACL. So burpees, I am going to be doing modified burpees, which are still hard to do, guys. Okay, so don't underestimate that. Here's calendar of day number 1 if you guys want to see it. I'm going to go ahead and warm up my arms, and then we're going to go ahead and get started with this. Day 1! And also for the squats, I am not going to go as low as I normally would if my knee wasn't injured. So, yeah, if chair squats are good. And when you progress and you take out the chair, like I'm not going to go as low because of my injury. Some arm circles, some arm swings. Just get those arms ready because we are going to be doing push-ups. I think those are the only arm, and then like burpees, but burpees is more full body, so just get those shoulders, rotator cuffs, whatever, everything warmed up. Abs, you're going to be doing some abs. My legs are warmed up already. My abs are kind of warmed up because of the cycling I did. So just and then I like to do these for my, what are these? I don't know, forearm circles, because my elbows, I feel like my elbows, I feel like your elbows are like your knees. They're very vulnerable, I feel like. I don't know. Or is it just me? Maybe I have weak elbows. But I like to do these just to warm up my elbows. I can already hear them cracking. So if I, didn't do these, I feel like it would strain my elbow, like when I'm doing push-ups and stuff. Now, they didn't say rest time in between each set or whatever, so I'm just gonna like, I don't know, go on my own, like figure out when I need to rest or not. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the bodyweight chair squat. Now, I don't have a chair in here, but I have my little vanity chair that I could do my squats on. Okay, so we're gonna do 4 sets of 15. Tempo is 3-1-0. So I think what that means, because I'm not a CrossFit person, I think what it means is you go down for 3, hold for 1, and then just back up, and you don't hold at the top, and then you go start it over again. So that, let's try that. It's 3, 2, 1, hold at the bottom, and then shoot up. So that's 1. How many reps are we supposed to do? I think 15. 15 reps, 4 sets of 15, okay. That was 1. And 2. And 3. And squeeze your butt at the top. And 4. So that was 1 set. I gotta do 3 more sets. I think we'll rest for like, I don't know, 15 seconds. I'm already tired. Okay, I'm gonna give myself 30 seconds to rest. Okay, so first one. Burpees, 3 sets of 10. All right. Okay guys, that was your day 1, week 1 of the lockdown workout from Barbell Brigade. See you on day 2.